how to use multiple audio outputs on Windows 11. So if you want to use multiple audio outputs on your Windows 11, then first you need to open up your Windows and then go for the search and then search for change system sounds. Once you've changed, here you will have this kind of page, and now you need to go for the playback tab and make sure that your output you're using is the right one. So once you've checked that, you can right click on that and you can see all of that options. So you can simply right click, and if you have this one as your option, then you can simply go for disable and then you can choose the right option. And once you've chosen, and here make sure to go for the recording option and then simply right click on the space that you have, and here you will have show disabled devices, right? Click on show disabled devices and make sure that your disabled devices is ticked on, because we have to find the stereo mix option. Now the last thing you have to do is right click on this option, and once you right click on that, make sure that you have a tick on that option. And now what you need to do is simply choose the stereo mix option, click on that option, and then make sure to set that as default. And once you click on set as default, now click on apply. And once you click on set as default, you need to click on apply. So for mine, it has already been set as default. So if you have not set that as default, choose set as default, and then you can click on apply and then click on OK. And once you've done all of these settings, you can simply go and restart your device. So once you restart your device, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you use multiple audio outputs on Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.